How to recover deleted chats on WhatsApp without backup. So if you want to recover deleted chats on WhatsApp without backup, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your WhatsApp, and you can go with a chat, any chat that you're comfortable with. And if you have a message, for example, this message is removed or something like that, then if you want to see that message without using any third-party application, then what you need to do is open up your settings. You will have all of your answers on your settings. So open up your settings, and under settings you just need to simply scroll down, go with the notifications option. Under notifications you will have notifications history. Tap on that, and under notification history, so you just need to simply scroll down and search for WhatsApp. So here under the last 24 hours you will have your Google Play services, Google Messenger, S-Capture or Chrome, YouTube, everything, right? So here you will have WhatsApp option. What you need to do is simply go with the drop down, which is on the right side, and here you will have all of the messages that you've received on your WhatsApp. So if someone has deleted the messages, then you will be able to see the notifications, like you will be able to see the message from the notifications of WhatsApp. So that's how you can recover your deleted chats on WhatsApp without a backup. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.